Very good evening, ma'am. Very good evening to all children. Here, Jyoti ma'am. Can you hear me properly? Am I audible properly? All of you? Yes. Tanvika, can you hear me, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear your voice. What about Sanvi? Sanvi, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I can also hear you. Okay. Now, Sanvi and Tanvika, let's start the session today. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? What you can see in the picture, Sanvi? Can you tell me, Peter? What you can see in the picture? Plants. Yes. You can see the plants? Okay. If I ask you by looking at this picture, what you can say about the picture? What you can say about the picture? You can see the plants, many types of plants, but what you can describe, how you can describe this picture? Can you describe that? Yes, Anvi? Try what you can see, just you have to speak that thing. Yes. Okay, let me tell. Yes. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, let me explain you. In this picture, we can see many types of plants. Can you see the different types of plants? Some are big in size, some are very small, and some are very small, like a bushes or like a grass only, isn't it? So what we can see in this picture, the different size of the plants, yes, and what we can see that some plants are very thick, very dense, and some are not, yes. So what we can see, different types of plants, okay. Now let's see in these picture. Can you see the picture? Okay. So what is plant, Anvis? Plant is actually what? Plant gave us many things. Plant gave us many things. Do you know that each and every part of the plant we used to eat? We used to what? Eat each and every part of the plant. Yes? Okay. Apart from that, yes, Tanvika, I can see your nodded head. You understood up to here? You can show me the thumb like this. If you understood the topic now? Yes, very nice, very nice. I can see your thumb. Yes. So here we understood that plant is what? Are of different types. Yes, different in size. Now we are what? Tanvika, we are the living beings. Okay. Okay, Tanvika, can you tell me, we are the living beings, what we used to do? What is very important for us? Yes, Tanvika?
When
Yes,
we have to eat,
yes, very good.
we have
Yes,
to eat and get fresh air and drink water
yes.
to grow.
Oh my goodness, very good, perfect answer. So here plant is also living being. So plant also breathe like us. Yes, plant will also breathe like us. Plant will also eat food to become healthy like us. Yes. Okay, so plant being a living being also need what? Food and water like us. Okay. Now here, can you see that these plants, some plants are green in color. Okay. Most of the 80% plant you can see green in color. Okay, why they are green in color? Because it has a green pigment in it known as chlorophyll, and they are making food from them. Okay, by using a chlorophyll, they are making a food. Okay, so please remember that plant is a living being like us. Take the air like us. Okay, we will learn about this thing that we are taking fresh air. Okay, tell me that fresh air is coming from where? Yes, Tanvika, that fresh air we are taking from the atmosphere, it is coming from where?
It's coming from the plants.
Exactly, and plant is making food as well as give us the fresh air, and that fresh air is oxygen. What it is? Oxygen. And yes, and we are giving out the bad air, impure air, that is carbon dioxide. Yes, and that only taken by the plant. Okay, so up to here what you understood? Plant are the living being. Most of the plants are green in color. Okay, green plant only make their foods. Okay, non-green plant cannot make their food. Okay, now here is very important thing that I want to tell you. Yes, what it is? Please remember one thing, the plant use what? Air, that is oxygen, water, sunlight and soil. These four things plant use in order to make food. Okay. Okay, Tanvika, tell me one thing. If I ask you to make a Maggie, your mother asks you, Tanvika, today make a Maggie for me. So what is essential ingredient required, Tanvika? Can you tell me? If I ask you how to make a Maggie? Yes? Yes?
Plant. Some plant.
How do you make a Maggie?
Maggie, I'm asking Maggie, dear. You like Maggie?
Yes.
Tell me what is required. Yes.
Water.
Okay. Yeah, then okay, water, then a pinch of salt and a packet of Maggie. Yes. So these are the essential ingredients. And if you want to make it more tastier, you will add some spices in it, isn't it? But here for the plant, as you can see, plant need four things in order to make the food. And what are they? Because plant is a living being and living being need food. Yes. So plant need air, water, sunlight and soil in order to grow and become healthy like us. Okay. I hope you understood this much. Where is your thumb? I'm missing your thumb. Show me your thumb if you understood. Yes. If you are finding any problem, you can ask me in between. Now, we get food, oxygen and other things from the plant. Please do remember that we are getting a fresh air from the surrounding. But in the surrounding, where it is coming from? It is coming from the plant. And that fresh air is nothing but a oxygen. Okay. So in this slide, what we have learned? We have learned that plants are of many types, many colors, many size. Along with that, the plant uses four essential ingredients. Yes, in order to make a food. Okay. And do you know one thing? In your house, who is making a food for you, Tanvika? Can you tell me? Who is making a food for you? Yes, Tanvika? Yes, mom. My mom used to cook the food for me. Dad used to say, no, go to mom. Mom will going to make. Yes. And where your mom used to make a food? Can you tell me the place where she used to make the food? Yes. Yes, in the kitchen. Yes. Your mother is making food in the kitchen. So where the plant used to make food? Plant is not having any kitchen, but plant is having one kitchen, that is leaf. The leaf of the plant is known as what? Kitchen of the plant. Okay. So leaf is making food for the whole plant and asks all the parts to have the food like our mother used to do. Our mother is making food and giving to the father, children and each and every member of the family. Yes. Yes. Can you hear me, dear? Am I audible? Okay. Yes. Okay. So can you see this picture, the picture of the plant? Is it visible to you all? Just show me the thumb if it is properly visible. Yes. Okay. So here parts of the plant you can see. Can you see? Now I am going to tell you about each and every part. Okay. So listen carefully. Then and thereafter I will ask you some questions. Okay. Now parts of the plant. Let me tell you first. Everybody, I think you are familiar with the parts. What it is? Can you speak out? This is flower. This is leaf. This is fruit. This is stem. This is root. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about flower, like us, we are the human beings. Okay. We are having different parts like hand. We are having different sense organs. Yes. And each and every part is doing some work. Okay. Delivering some duties. In the same way, the plant are also having some work to do. Okay. Now, can you see the flower? What is the work of the flower here, dear? Do you know flower being very attractive and giving us a aromatic smell? Okay. It has some other duty also. What it is? It helps in producing the fruit. Plants say if there is no flower in the tree, in the plant, I will not give you the fruit. Okay. So flower help in producing the what? Fruit in the plant. Okay. Do you know one fact? Let me tell you. If this plant is not having flower, then fruits say, I will not come in this plant. Okay, so flower help in producing the what dear fruit. Okay, so remember, flower being very attractive, very beautiful, give the aromatic smell. Okay, help in making perfumes. Apart from that, it also help in what? For producing the fruit, which is very tasty. Are you eating any of the fruit? Can you tell me your favorite fruit, Tanvika? Yes. Can you tell me any one favorite fruit of yours? Yes.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh my goodness. So do you know that sweet strawberry coming from where? When flowers are there in the strawberry plant. Got it? Okay. So I hope you understood that the flower help in producing the fruit. Now here is a leaf. Can you see the leaf? So leaf is a what it is? What it is? I told you leaf is a yes.
Kitchen.
Wow, very nice. Kitchen of the plant, because all food is made by the leaf and leaf give all food to other parts of the plant. Now, can you see the stem here? Is the stem visible to you? Yes. So stem is like what? Okay, Tanvika, if I ask you to go to the school, okay, and you are having your vehicle, but road is not there, is it possible for you to reach to school if road is not there? No. So in the
No.
same way, we are having root here. Okay, and root is taking a underground water and minerals present in the soil. But how it will go to other parts? It will go with the help of this stem. With the help of what? With the help of a stem. Can you see that properly? Okay, so stem is what? Stem is like a pathway which transport water and mineral from the root to other parts of the plant. I hope you understood up to here along with the parts of the plant. Yes, let me recall you. Flower help in producing fruit. Leaves, kitchen of the plant, making a food for whole plant. Fruit, very delicious, having a seed inside. Yes, stem, it's a path which transport water and mineral from the soil. Here root, what is the work of root? Can you see this hairy root? So it absorb water and mineral, okay, and give to other parts of the plant. It is required, okay. I hope you understood about the parts of the plant. If you understood, where is your thumb? I'm missing your thumb. Where is your thumb? If you understood, show me your thumb. If you understood, yes. If you are having any doubt, you can ask it up. Okay. So please, okay, Tanvika, can you tell me one thing, 4 things required by the plant in order to make food? What are they? Can you tell me 4 things? Yes.
The leaf.
I'm not asking parts, but I'm asking 4 things required by the plant in order to make food. Leaf will make food definitely. Yes.
Leaf, flower, fruit, and stem.
Okay, these are the parts. Okay, beta, these are the parts. But 4 things that required by the plant in order to make food is, can you repeat after me? Sunlight, air, water, and soil. What it is? Sunlight, air, water, and one more. What it is? Soil. Okay. These are the 4 things that plant use in order to make food. Okay. Can you see this slide now, Tanvika? In this slide, now we are going to learn about the different types of plants. Okay. We understood about the plants properly, that plants are of different types, different colors, different size. Now we will going to learn in detail about different types of plants. Now, can you see this picture? What it is? What it is, Tanvika?
Tree.
Very good. This is a tree. Have you ever seen the tree in your real life? Have you ever seen?
Yes.
Can you tell me the places where you have seen the tree? Yes?
I've seen it somewhere around my house.
Okay.
I've seen it sometimes in parks.
Okay.
And sometimes I see it once I'm going somewhere.
Okay, very nice. And do you know that what is the importance of tree around our surrounding, or you can say in the school, nearby your house, on the roadside? It is very, very important because tree give us fresh air, which is required. Yes, you know that. And each and every part of the tree, again, very important. Okay, from the bottom till the top, we are eating each and every part of the tree or the plant. Okay, now let's talk about tree. Tree is very strong, having a very wide stem. Can you see the wide woody stem? Yes, it's very strong. You can even climb over the tree. And apart from that, it has fruits, flowers that we used to eat. Yes, and apart from that, tree live for many years. Okay, we are using many parts of the tree. Can you tell me any one part that we are using from the tree and which is very important and crucial? See the tree, picture of tree, and tell me any one part we are using and making something out of it. Yes, use your perception.
The leaves.
Okay, leaves of the tree. Okay, any other thing? Any other part that you are using? Okay, let me tell you. Do you know that we are using the trunk of the tree? Okay, for making papers in which you used to write. Okay, bamboo tree, rubber tree. Okay, so each and every part is very important. Some examples are pine tree, mango tree, peepal tree, banyan tree. Okay, now let's move ahead with the other types of the plant, that is shrubs. Now what is the difference between tree and the shrubs? So shrubs are medium sized plant. It is smaller than tree. Okay, as you can see in the picture. So what is the difference? First is size. Second, it has a woody stem. Trees are having what? A very wide trunk that you can climb over. Okay, but in the shrubs, you cannot climb on the shrubs. Yes, you can see the rose, cotton plant, which provide us cotton, which give us rose. Okay, mums plant, which give us these flowers. So here, you cannot climb on this, but they have a woody stem. They have what? A woody stem. Okay. Okay, and you can see that it is not as strong as compared to the tree. Okay, so they live for only few years, whereas the tree live for many years. Okay, I hope you understood the difference. Yes, if you understood, where is your thumb? Okay, dear. Now, can we see? Now, I think it is visible herbs. Okay, because you should know with the tips of your hand that this is tree. I know that it is very strong, having many flowers, live for many years. Here is a shrubs. Okay, having a woody stem, live for few years. Here is a herbs. Now, herbs. I know that you are familiar with the herbs. Okay, do you like coriander in your curry? Are you eating coriander in your curry? You like? Yes? Okay, I can see your thumb. Spinach, mint, all these are the herbs. Now, herbs are what? They are the very small plant and having a very soft stem. If you are having a coriander at home, today just hold the coriander in your hand and try to break it. It can easily break because the stem is very soft. Okay, you have seen the spinach at home. Yes? If you try to break the stem of the spinach, it can easily break. Yes, it is breakable because it is very soft. Okay, so tree are very strong, having a strong stem. If you see Tanvika, you will get to know we can distinguish the plant on the basis of their stem. Tree are having a strong woody or a wide stem, whereas shrubs are having a woody stem, and herbs are having a very soft stem. And they are very soft. They are very soft and small in size as well. Okay, so remember, and being very delicate and soft, they live only for few months, not even a year. Okay, only few months. So here they live for very few months and they are very delicate and soft also. Okay, now let's move ahead with the other category, that is what it is. It is a
Climber.
Very good. I want to hear from you. That's why I explicitly remain mom. Okay, very nice. This is a climber. So climber itself define its meaning. Climb, like how you used to climb. Okay, you are climbing on the tree. Have you ever been climbed? Yes, you climb on the tree or not? I'm very scared of. I never used to. Okay. So climber is what? Why it is given a name like this? Climber. Because climbers are such plant which have a weak and the soft stem, but they need a support to stand. Can you see this picture? Can you see the picture of money plant? Is it visible? Picture of money plant? Yes. So in case of picture of money plant, it need a support. The support may be of a one stick, wall or other plant, then only it can stand erect. Okay, because it is too weak and too soft stem, so it cannot stand on its own. Okay, so climbers, that is why it is given a name like such name, climber, because it climb on the support, whatever support we are providing. So some examples of climbers are money plant, pea plant that we used to eat, okay, and beans. Okay, these are the delicious vegetable that you are using. Okay, I hope you understood the climbers. Climbers always need support. They cannot stand. Yes, I can see your thumb. Okay, now let's move ahead with the other type, that is creepers. Okay, creepers, climbers, brother. Okay, but only difference is that climber said, I will climb on my support. Whereas creeper said, no, I can't do that. Why? Because can you see that my fruits are so bulky, so strong, so big in nature that I have to be on the ground only. Yes. So creeper plant have, though the creeper and climbers both are having soft stem, they are having weak stem, but creeper always remain and grow along the ground. Why so? They cannot climb. If can you think of a situation having such a big or a bulky fruit? If they climb on the support, what would happen? The support will also break along with the plant, isn't it? Isn't it or not? So that is why the creeper used to what? They grow along the ground because they are having big fruits. Okay, they are bearing a big fruits. Can you see the pumpkin? How big it is? Watermelon, muskmelon, all these are very big in size. Okay, so that is the reason creeper always remain or grow along the ground. Understood? Okay, can you tell me one difference between the creepers and climber? Why it is called creeper and why it is called climber? Yes, Tanvika?
Creepers grow from around from the ground because they are very weak and strong. Climbers climb and they need support.
Oh my goodness, perfect answer, dear. And please remember one thing when you are speaking now. So just remember one thing, that in creepers the fruits are very bulky. Plant is soft and this only, soft and green only, like a climber. Okay, so just remember one thing, you have to speak the fruit about food beta. Okay, otherwise your answer is perfect. Very nice. Okay, here come the another slide. We understood with the tip of our hand, tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creeper. We understood these five. Yes. Now let's move ahead about the plants and food. Because we know that plant is providing us a fresh air to breathe, that is oxygen, and we are giving a impure air, that is carbon dioxide. You know that plant is using that carbon dioxide for making food. Yes? Okay. Now let's talk about the food. Okay, before going ahead with this slide, Tanvika, I want to ask you one more time. Can you tell me the four things that plant uses to make food? Yes. What are the four things that plant uses to make food? First is?
Seed,
Yes.
seed, soil, sunlight,
Very good.
water.
Yes. Very good. Bravo. Perfect answer. Very nice. Just remember these four things. Okay. Sunlight, air, water and soil. Very nice. Now can you see here? Such a nice slide it is. See, first I told you about the root. Root is hairy like structure taking up water and mineral from the soil and giving to other parts of the plant. Yes. So root, do you know that it is very astonishing to know, or surprising also to know, that we are also eating roots of the plant. Are you eating beetroot, carrot and radish? What it is? These beetroot, carrot and radish. This is a root of the plant here. Now let's talk about stem. You know that we are eating the stem of the plant. Yes. And what are they? See some example: potato. Okay, we are eating the potato as a stem. And what else? We are eating onions. Without onion, we are not making a curry. Yes. We are eating what? Sugar cane. It is also a stem. Yes. So these stem we are eating. Okay. Now can you see the leaves? We are eating leaves of the plant also. See what it is. Like for example, what it is? Fenugreek, spinach, coriander and cabbage also. This is a leaf of the plant only. Yes. So we are eating root, stem and leaves of the plant. Now other than, see, the seed also we are eating. Okay, Tanvika, can you tell me seed? Do you know what is seed? What is seed, Tanvika? You know what is seed?
A seed makes a plant grow.
Very good. So first from the seed, who will going to come from the seed, Tanvika? Can you tell me who will going to come from the seed? Directly plant will come. Is it possible directly plant will come from the seed? Who will come from the seed?
Pulses, beans.
No, dear. From the seed, a baby plant will come. Who will come? Baby plant. From the seed, first baby plant will come. Okay. And then it grow into a grown-up plant. Yes? Yes. So remember that seed first produces a baby plant and then it grow into a big plant or a tree. Yes? Now here, we are eating seed of the plant also. Are you eating pulses? It provides us protein. Do you know that? It is very important for us, for our growth. Yes? So are you eating pulses? Your mother is making pulses every day? I used to make pulses every day. Pulses is very good for your health. Okay, so what seeds we are eating? We are eating pulses, beans, cashew and groundnuts also. Okay, from groundnuts we are getting oil also. We are eating oil. We are oiling our this hair also. We are putting oil in the hair. From where it is coming from? From the seed of the plant only. See how important is the plant. Yes, from that. That is why in the first instant only I told you, from the top till the bottom, each and every part we are eating. Yes. Now let's move ahead with the flowers. Can you see flowers? Are you eating cauliflower? Yes. You like cauliflower? Yes. Okay. So here flowers also we are eating, like cauliflower. We are eating many more. Even, yes. Can you give me some example? Yes. That is, are you eating broccoli? You like broccoli? Yes, my son used to eat. Okay, he also like broccoli. Broccoli and cauliflower. This is also a category of flower. Yes, that we are eating. Now let's move ahead with the fruit. Can you see the fruits? Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable? Because when I asked this question with from one student, he told me that it is a fruit. So what do you think? Is it a fruit or a vegetable, Tanvika? Yes.
Fruit.
Is it a fruit? Why it is a fruit? Tell me, dear.
Because it has seed.
Very good. Perfect answer. But do you know that tomato is fruit as well as vegetable? Okay, there is a conflict between Britishers about this topic, that tomato is a fruit or a vegetable. But as you had given a perfect answer, that tomato is a fruit. Why? Because it has seeds inside. Okay, so as per practical approach, it is a fruit. But later on, they said, no, it's a vegetable also. Okay, now let's move ahead with the other slide, because now Tanvika is having many things here. Now Tanvika is able to answer the question I'm going to ask. Yes, Tanvika, are you ready? Should I ask you the question then? Huh? Okay, Tanvika is nodding the head. That means she is ready. Okay, Tanvika. Saloni describes a plant that she has seen in the field. Identify the plant. Now I am giving something about the plant. You have to identify which plant it is from the options. Okay. It is a small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it, which is used for stuffing pillows. Can you tell me which one it is? Is that a jute, cotton, coconut, or money plant?
Jute.
Which one? What is the answer in this case? Let
Jute.
me read one more time for you. Should I read one more time? Yes, listen carefully, Tanvika. It is small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it, which is used for stuffing pillows. Jute plant, cotton plant, coconut plant, and money plant. What is the answer in this case?
Coconut plant.
Which one?
Coconut plant.
Okay, is that soft fiber? Coconut plant is a soft fiber, Tanvika? Tell me, which one is a soft fiber? Which is very softy? So the answer is what? Cotton plant. We are getting cotton from. Yes, why so? Because we are getting cotton from the cotton plant, which is very, what it is, very soft. Okay, and we use it as a stuffing in the pillows. Okay, now see the next question. Can you see the next question? Okay, let me read. Baby plant grow from which part of the plant? Is it a flower, fruit, seed, and all of the above, or else none of these?
Seed.
Very good. Perfect. Now Tanvika understood that seed first give baby plant and then it grow into a big plant and then tree. Yes. Okay. Very nice, dear. Now here, Tanvika, you have to use your mind. I know that there is many things. Now Tanvika understood the topic. Difference between climbers and creeper. Now I want you to at least speak out three points about the climbers and creeper. Okay, use your perception and speak out. Yes, beta.
Climbers are big and need support to grow. Creepers grow along the ground because they are very heavy and they both have a soft stem.
Do you want to speak anything else, beta? Your answer is perfectly okay. If you want to speak something else, you can. Think and speak. Okay, that's it. Very good. Very nicely tried. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you about climber and creeper. Tanvika, can you tell me one difference I told you about the creeper and climber? Who can climb? Tanvika? Okay, tell me one thing.
Climbers.
Yes, why the creeper cannot climb having a soft stem? Why the creeper cannot climb?
Because it's very big.
Big in the
It's
creeper?
a very big fruit.
Yes.
It's a very big fruit.
Very good. Perfect answer. That's what I want to hear from you. Perfect. Very nice, beta. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, here. Can you see these plants, Tanvika? Is it visible to you? Okay, can you tell me which of the following figure correctly show the movement of water in plant? Now tell me the movement of water in the plant. From where the plant moves. Think and speak. Yes. Are you able to see the slide properly? Okay. Then see the arrows properly. See the arrows, where the arrow pointing, from where the water is coming from. Okay, let me tell you. Now here, Tanvika, see all the plants. Can you see the A plant? From where the water is coming, can you see arrows? Can you see the arrows in the soil? And we know that water is coming from the where? Underground water. Okay. And the soil is taking water from the ground and giving to other parts of the plant. Isn't it or not? So the movement of water is from, yes, soil to other parts of the plant. Okay. If I would have given you other question, movement of food. So food always move from leaf to other parts of the plant. Okay, beta, because leaf is preparing food. But if I am talking about water, so water is coming from the root to other parts of the plant. I hope you understood. If I ask you next time, okay, very good. Okay, let's move to other slide. Here is the question that I want to answer from you. Which one of the following is not needed by the plant to make food? Okay, now tell me. Let me give you a little bit hint. Okay, plant need water. Plant need water or not for making food? Yes, plant need what? Sunlight for making food. Okay, plant need oxygen for making food. Plant need oxygen. Yes, you can speak out. Oxygen. Plant need oxygen. Fresh air.
No.
No. So what is the answer?
Oxygen.
Yes, let me explain you also. Carbon dioxide is what, beta? That we are exhaling, impure air. Okay, like we are breathing now, like this and exhaling out. So impure air that we are giving is the carbon dioxide that is taken by the plant. Plant is taking and making a food out of it. Okay, so plant is taking carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, but giving out us fresh air, that is oxygen. So your answer is perfectly okay. Okay, so your answer oxygen is perfectly okay.